What's up, everyone? We are going to be doing some little off thing. We're going to try doing this. So I've done nightshade, and have a couple of my videos on my channel. I did nightshade. So this time we're going to do some actual tint film. So this is light smoke, 16-inch by 10 feet. So from the thing you can't really tell because it's like, it's even in person, it's like kind of like a weird shape or color because it has the protective film thing on it, so it kind of looks a little dark. I tried a little bit, probably a month ago, just to see. I've had this for a while, just why I'm doing it, but I've actually wanted to make this a little darker, so I'm gonna put this on it and just see how much darker it is. So here's the before. So then we're gonna do, all we're gonna do is, and I gotta get a little razor and I have to cut it, but I got my heat because it's kind of a little gold, as you can tell, and some Windex and some cleaner, and just wipe it off, and then maybe do some alcohol, I don't know, maybe adhesion stuff. I just want to see what it looks like. If not, I'll take it off if it doesn't look good. So let's get to cut and putting her on. So I got her cleaned up, wiped off, and I heated it up a little bit so it's a little warmer, so it'll stick a little bit better. And then right now I cut off a big enough piece where I could cover it. So let's start laying her on there and shaping her. So I don't know if it's the tint or whatever, but it literally, I don't know, there's something about it I can't. It kind of just looks like foggy, and it's definitely harder than painting. Just not as, I don't know. It just depends on what kind of curvature and the way your light looks. But I don't know. Maybe is there another skin to this? Maybe like a protecting one too. I don't know. I'll have to look at it again, but. So it's not that bad. It's literally, so all I've been doing is heating it up and pulling it, and then kind of using my squeegee, which I also recommend getting a felt one if you're going to do this. It's a lot better, so it doesn't kind of scratch it. So I've just been going pretty easy at it. So it's definitely darker. That to that, yeah, it's a little bit darker. So yeah, let's finish it, I guess, and see how it looks more. So after looking, I tore a piece off and I did it, and there is like a protective coating on it, so I can peel it off and it looks a little bit more glossy. So I'm gonna finish it and then we'll take her off and see how shiny she looks. Okay, there she is. A lot better than I thought it was gonna be. A lot darker. It's exactly kind of what I wanted. Definitely not perfect, but I've learned a couple things while I was doing it, because once you get a crease in it, you got a crease in it. It's pretty much done. So she's like right here, yeah, I got a crease in the tint. So other than that, I mean, it's not perfect at all, but it looks pretty cool, and it's actually glossy. So now I'm gonna do a third brake light on our Yukon, so it'll match. But yeah, look at this compared to this, like a lot lighter compared to that. I came out to like how I wanted it to, so that's pretty cool. Also, we're gonna do this, the Yukon's third brake light, because we got some lights for that too already. So we're gonna try that. That's the original red. That is just one layer, which I might do two. I might take it off and do it again, but I just was mainly trying to see what it did, and it made it a little bit darker, but not too much. I might add another layer to see how dark it would be if I added two. So let's try another one just in case. So I think 2 is definitely dark enough. It's like I would say compared to like a 15%, maybe like between 15 and 5 maybe. It's pretty dark. So I definitely do, if you do 2 layers, it's plenty dark. It looks really good. Here's with the light on, so you can see pretty good what it looks like. Matches the light, so looks good. I like it.